Big man talk Agwan
at the 1000 Men Conference. Don't miss Papa San's story.
Papa San, him really a come.
Yo, this is Papa San from Kingston, Jamaica. I will be in England on June 9 and 10. You don't know, straight up in a Birmingham. Yeah.
Come and hear his story from the dance hall to the church hall, followed by a question and answer session. Also talking about the challenges man face will be Doug Williams and David Shoshani.
Big man talk that. Me nah miss that.
On Saturday the 9th of June, 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the New Testament Church of God, Lozelle in Birmingham. Ticket £5. Visit georgest.com. Call 0121 554 1358. Tickets also available at Hatman. Sponsored by Jamaica National Money Transfer.
Men United for Christ. You can't miss that shot. Check it, set it, bless it, respect it. Now set it. Just like that. Yeah. Check it.